You're welcome back to my channel. I am your brother Nwa. To all my viewers, all my subscribers all over the world, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are so amazing, wonderful. You know, you guys made it being that this family is being hooked up because you watch my videos, you share my videos. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are so amazing. I don't know what else I'm gonna say, but I'm going to reward you guys. Today's video, you must have to be just bring your table right here, sit down. Let's go to this video because I have a lot of news to give you today. If today is the first time you are coming across to my channel, how I do it on my channel right here is that I will present the video. Remember, my channel is channel of truth. Whatever I'm telling you here, even if I analyze it, everything I said, it must be displayed on this television. And I will be right here. Watch it with you till end. My people, please feel free to say anything you want to say on comment section. Please share this video as well. And the most important thing, if you have not supported this, your brother, wonderful, handsome man, have you seen it? If you have not subscribed on my channel, please kindly do that, okay? I will always appreciate you. Can I give you a reward for that? Just put it in your comment section. And I will always appreciate you guys. Subscribe to my channel and put on notification so that anytime I post video, my brother, you will get notified. Ipinye aka na subscribe button and put on notification so that more than you post a video you go eke we fear ana mekuku ihe obara gbasara Biafra ekuku ihe obara gbasara ihe na-eme n'ụwa osu obodo kuto obodo osu ede I will put it on display on this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will always appreciate you. I'm waiting for you in comment section. I love you guys.
If Nigeria will be one country, Nigeria will be. If Nigeria will not be, God will share everything. Nobody can stop God from doing what he wants. If God says being one will scatter everybody, God can share. Go to your various zones. After all, there was a time the British people were controlling Nigeria. Are they still controlling now? Do we not have our own president now? Are we not independent now? By that time, if you talk about Nigeria's independence, it will be like a taboo. It will be a treasonable offense. In the 1930s, 40s, 50s, until 1960, God said enough is enough. The same God is still alive. So when people begin to talk, they want to go. They want to go. Listen to them. If there's a need for them to go, they should go. Instead of staying together and nobody is comfortable, nothing is moving well. We shan't die together under one pot. We can still be one brothers in one homogeneous former Nigeria. There was one old East Central region when Anambra, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi, and Enugu are in one state. Nothing is impossible. An idea which time has come, nobody can stop. So our leaders should look into what is happening and follow the trend of events wisely and act timely before it is too late. Because the signs in the atmosphere are manifestations that God is in action. If you ask for Mbaka how, he doesn't know. Like this thing I'm talking about, shall we go? Now, Enugu is an autonomous state. Anambra is an autonomous state. Doing very well. Ebonyi is an autonomous state. Doing very, very well. Abia is an autonomous state. Doing well. Imo is an autonomous state. Facing her battles. So, and wars. But the important thing is that it's no longer one old East Central state. And in the future, one president will say, come and add more states. There could be other states. Nsuka people can go if there's need for them to go. So this thing of we must stay together is not true. It can only happen for a while. A time comes even when a child in the family, no matter how you love the child, will marry out. When a son will go out and build his own house somewhere, everybody mustn't stay together forever. So if you believe that it must be one Nigeria, you are deceiving yourself. We should not just lovely, peacefully watch what is happening instead of killing everybody. If you finish the whole Hausa people in the name of closing Boko Haram or whatever, by the time you have finished killing their youths now and you see the need for them to be autonomous, what have you achieved? If you have finished killing the Igbo people because they want Biafra, and you have killed all, bombed all, bought jets we could have used to build industries, and you are using that to kill the people you have not given jobs. When the time comes, if the Igbos must go in the name of Biafra, they will go. If the Yoruba people will go, they will go. It is a matter of time. And in Ecclesiastes 3:11, the Bible says, God beautifies all things in his time. Please, they should listen to me. I am a voice that they should listen to. So I minister to our leaders again. Let them quietly talk to themselves. Let them talk to themselves and open all these prisons. Liberate all these young people. Even the Nnamdi Kanu they are holding, they should leave him. Igbo, the man of Yoruba, Igbo, they leave him. Let us come to a round table. Shall we continue? If there is a time, if the time has come for peaceful separation, we can be old Nigerians.